All right, in order to install this underseat storage underneath your rear seat on your F250, this is a 2024, here's the toolkit right here. Here's a bracket that holds the toolkit. There are 3 bolts on this bracket that all go on here, those holes. 1, 2, 3. And they all go into here on the frame or on the body. And then there are 2 little plugs. Now, I actually don't know the right way to remove them. Maybe if you do, you can put it in the comments below. I just ended up cutting it off just to get it out, and then this one I just forced out. This panel should be able to go straight up against the back of the seat, so we're going to give that a shot right now. Alright, so let's now slide this in. You can see that it's nice and snug now. It's a little bit better. You've got some openings here that will screw in, that line up perfectly. Each of these little brackets for the seat has a hole. And the back of the, here, if you look here, the back of these things has a hole as well, the tray. So we're gonna screw the tray in. Okay, so in the instructions you'll see you're supposed to use the provided hardware, but the hardware is not gonna fit the holes that are in your 250, at least my 2024 F250 Super Duty, right? So what we did was we had some bolts laying around, we just bolted it with those after we removed the bracket for the toolkit. And now it fits, it's not really shaking and everything. And when we put the seat down, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see how well it fits under the seat.